Josiasa mag riwruok mar Azimo la Umoja One Kenya Alliance Kalonzo Musyoka, Eugene Wamalwa kod Jeremiah Kioni oyuoro e nyasi mar lamo e kaunti ma Nairobi manandalo achiel bang' kwayo jood bura makwedo piny owacho mondo kwed paro mar chik mar omenda mar 2024 e kinde ma ibiro tere od bura mondo mi jood bura twagi e wiye. Owinjene gino ma dhi mbele gi sani.
Bigger than counties. So we are very honored to have been asked to join with you, man of God, Zerubbabel, very strong prophetic messenger of God, who thought we could come and just join with you and eat the cake together with the children 1 year of this congregation. So I think we need to clap for you and give you all the encouragement. Beyond that, we have to recognize that we are living in a country that is democratic and a country that has recognized under our Constitution 2010 the supremacy of God in the lives of this nation, in the life of all Kenyans. That's why it's so clear that under our Constitution 2010, that this is a nation under God. And so, also being a democratic, multi-party democracy, expressly recognized under our Constitution as well. Therefore, Bishop and Pastor, you forgive us if on our first encounter with you, we tell you about some of these truths that are in our Constitution. The freedom of expression, the freedom of worship, and I'm quite sure that is why we're here. But as even continue to enjoy these freedoms, we have also the freedom of thought and particularly political expression. I belong to a school of thought that does not look at some of us as politicians. They are leaders, specially called by God to serve Him in a particular manner. Because the ordinary perception of politician is somebody who lies, or somebody who is very economical with facts and truths. And so the moment, I believe, for Africa is now. And it is here. Therefore, for us to have had this French aspect of it is very encouraging.